welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sync multiple cloud drive in MultCloud. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to sync your multiple cloud drive in MultCloud, all you gotta do is simply go in your MultCloud. So once you're in your MultCloud, to sync multiple cloud drives, you need to first of all add all your cloud accounts to your MultCloud by clicking on the Add Cloud option for each one. Then you need to navigate to Cloud Sync and simply select your source and destination cloud drives, or simply select the specific folders within them. Now to begin the sync, you need to simply tap on the option called Sync Now. Once you have done this, you can simply sync multiple cloud drives in your MultCloud automatically. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.